Let's review what we covered today in Access 101. We learned about Access and what a database is. We learned how to plan our database out on paper, how to figure out what tables we need, and what fields go in those tables. We learned about the different database components. We built a sample table, a query, a form, and a report using the mailing label wizard. We put all that knowledge together and built a basic customer database to track information on our customers. Now it's time for your skills check. Log on to our website at 599cd.com/test and take our short skills check quiz. If you pass the quiz, you can print out your certificate of completion. What's next? Next, we recommend Microsoft Access 102. We cover a lot of new topics in Access 102. We talk about sorting and filtering data in tables. We'll teach you some more advanced query tricks like parameter queries. That's the thing where the user can type in the state that they want when they run the query. We'll go over and/or conditions in queries. So you can say, okay, show me all the people from New York and from California. Or show me all the people from New York or from California. Those kinds of conditions. We'll go over some form controls like command buttons. Show you how you can make buttons that you click on that do stuff. We'll go over manual report design. Just like we built a form today manually, we'll show you how to do the same thing with reports. A lot more coming up in Access 102. We hope you've enjoyed this class. If you have any questions, you can email them to support@myolp.com. This lesson is copyright 2002 by Amicron Computing, all rights reserved. This video may not be reproduced, copied, edited, or otherwise distributed without the express written permission of Amicron Computing.